Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Next Stop News September 2022, SacRT bus drives by. Text, September service changes, bus routes 33, 132 and 142. Smart On-Demand Transit Shuttle. Text, Smart Ride Expansion, Natomas, North Sacramento and Elk Grove. SacRT hiring event signs and people. Text, We're hiring. Hiring events on September 20th and 28th. Students wait at station while light rail train pulls up. Text, Ride free RT back to school. Free rides for students in TK to 12th grade. Sacramento Regional Transit Library Train. Text, Sacramento's rolling library. Hop on board to ride and read. Video of local events. Text, Free rides to festivals in September. Chalk it up. September 3rd to 5th. Our Street Market. September 10th. Forum to Fork. September 23rd and 24th. Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Check out the September edition of Next Stop News at sacrt.com/nsn.